My ex says they are not physically attracted to me anymore. What should I do? Hello guys and welcome to Love Advice TV. My name is Alex Comment and I'm your relationship expert. In today's video, I want to answer this question. What to do when my ex says that he or she is not feeling attracted physically? I know it's really hurtful because you're thinking that you're not valuable for your ex or that you are not good enough for your ex. In today's video, I want to answer this question. Most of the time, it's not based on your physical appearance. It's based on attraction. When your ex is telling you that they are not feeling attracted physically, that means they take you also for granted. And I can guarantee you that if you can give some space to your ex, it will help you. So tip number one, I want you to be distant. Because if you're doing a no contact, that means if you're not talking to your ex, they can miss you. They can feel attracted. But if you are seeing each other every single day, spending a lot of time together, of course, the attraction will never be the same. If you look at the way you work and the way humans work, we give value to what we don't have. So even when you're in a relationship, you're not having things maybe every day, right? Sometimes you don't feel attracted, sometimes you feel attracted. This is the way human being works. So you need to remember these things. If you want to maintain the physical attraction, you need to be distant. It's not just about you. Of course, I will encourage you to work on your appearance. It could be your look. It could be your body, going to the gym, working for being someone that you want to be. Because that's where we build the physical attraction, of course. But the tip number one is really important. The distance. When there is the distance, there is attraction. When there is no distance, your ex will always take you for granted. And this is not good for us. So tip number one, be distant. Tip number two, we need to work on yourself. We need to come back as the best version of yourself. So you have to go to the gym. You have to pay attention to your appearance. You have to pay attention to your body language. This is something that everyone forgot. When we talk about physical attraction, we always look at the beauty. Okay, but guys, body language is so important. So you need to really stand straight. You need to smile. You need to have a good energy, a good tone of voice. We need to see that you have a lot of charisma. Tips number three, you need to repeat yourself because everything starts from your mind. I am the most beautiful person in this world. I am the most beautiful person in this world. And I want you to repeat this sentence. And I want you to feel this sentence in all of your body. Because charisma, attraction, physical attraction comes from what are you thinking about yourself. If you're always saying, I'm too fat, I'm not beautiful, I'm not enough for him. Of course, your ex will never feel attracted because you're not thinking that you're enough for him or for her. And this is why we need to change. It starts with the distance. Then we work on you, your body. Then we work on your mind. And the last thing that we will do, we need to socialize. We need to make sure that you will be able to attract a lot of people around you. For example, if you go to the restaurant with your ex, talking to the waiter, making some jokes, having people interacting with you, then your ex will feel that you're special. Your ex will feel that he or she can lose you because you have this social attraction. And this is a way to rebuild the physical attraction between you and your ex. So even when your ex told you that they don't feel attracted physically anymore, we don't care about this sentence. We have 4 options to do right now to make sure we can change this situation. It's not finished, it's just the beginning. So if you have any question or if you want to share your experience, leave a comment just right below and we will be here for you. Leave me a like and please subscribe to Love Advice TV. This is an amazing YouTube channel. Every single day, you can receive some tips to change your love and your personal life. And this is why we are here for you. Because we want to make sure that you will feel confident, even when your ex told you that they are not feeling attracted physically anymore. It's okay. We can work on it. Remind you, being distant, working on your body and your appearance on yourself, working on your mind, because then your charisma will never be the same. And the last action, you need to work on your social skills. If everyone is loving you, your ex will feel so attracted, I can guarantee you. So don't be scared. Let's work together on this situation. Come on withmyexagain.com. Book a private coaching session with me. Imagine together, in just 1 hour, we can change your life. We can change your life forever. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting to be your relationship expert, and I will see you soon for a new video. Bye-bye, guys.